Geography Museum with Miss Moore's class. Can you tell me about Australia just a little bit?
Yes. Australia is mainly known for kangaroos and koalas because that's the only continent that has those animals. And right here, this is coral. At Australia, they have very nice reefs, and this is actually real coral from the bottom of a reef. This is Australia made out of celluloid, and these brown parts right here are mountains. And then this green part is land, and these little green parts up in the ocean are called islands. These are some Australian dolls.
Thank you, Australia. Very good. Let me look at your dolls a little bit. Okay. Your Australia people. And then we have Asia, the continent of Asia. Hi, girls. Tell me a little bit about Asia.
Asia has major cities, and the major cities are Tokyo, Japan, Jakarta, Indonesia, Seoul, South Korea, Delhi, India, Mumbai, India, Manila, Philippines, Shanghai, China, Osaka, Japan, Kota, India, and Karachi, Pakistan.
Wow, and you have some beautiful dolls and artifacts here. It says wonderful.
And they have 5 major deserts, and some of the major deserts are the Gobi Desert, the Karakum Desert, the Karakum Desert, the Coppa.
Tell me what you know. You don't have to read it. Just tell me what you know. You guys know a lot. You told me enough.
Did you know Asia is the largest continent and it covers 1/3 of the Earth's surface?
Very good. And I like what you're wearing. That's beautiful. Thank you, girls. And next we have South America, right? What is that stick you have in your hand?
This is the Amazon rainforest. It's the South America. It represents it.
Very good. And what do you have here?
I have some talked about South America. South America, a southern continent of America, is located entirely in the western hemisphere, as well as mostly in the southern hemisphere. And did you know that South America is the 4th largest continent in the world?
Wow. And are you wearing South American clothing?
Yes, this is what you would normally wear in South America
If you were a girl. All right. I like that. Thank you. And who do we have here? What continent?
This is Africa.
Africa? Okay.
We have made a map. We have made a map made out of celluloid and also painted it over to show what kind of climates and stuff. The brown part is the Sahara Desert, which is a large desert in Africa. And also, if you look right here on the side, this is Egypt. And in Egypt, they have the Sphinx, which is a pharaoh's head and also a lion's body next to some pyramids.
Very good. Let me see your dolls and artifacts here. Wow. This is great. And you guys had food. I saw your watermelon and peanuts.
And then here we have an African maraca.
A maraca?
So it's made out of pebbles, pure wood, some strings, and also rubber.
Okay.
Also, Africa is the 2nd largest continent in the world. They have different songs in Africa. For example, like this one, this song is by Shakira of Africa. And plus in Africa they have a small, and the title is called This Time for Africa. And then also Africa has a small country that's named Madagascar. In South Africa, they have penguins and also when you're like 15 or 16, in Africa, they have, no, in Africa, they cut off your lip, and they put, you know how when you put your ears pierced and those big old things, that's what they put.
They put in your lip? Oh, wow. You cut it off? You guys learned a lot about Africa. Very good.
They used to hunt animals, but now they don't because they start growing crops.
Oh, great. Thank you, girls. And now we have, what continent?
This is Antarctica.
Antarctica?
So you see, here's a 3D map of Antarctica.
I can't hear you. Can you speak just a little louder?
This is a 3D map of Antarctica. Right here. This section right here is the South Pole. So, and the other, like the ending parts are all mountains. And he's going to show you a video of the
Top 10 dangerous animals in Antarctica.
Okay.
Number 10 is the seagull.
Seagulls. They're dangerous or endangered?
Dangerous.
Oh, wow. 10 most dangerous animals in Antarctica.
Number 9 is the skua.
Skua, okay. Very good.
And over here we have my report of Antarctica. First, this is the table of contents. This is the introduction. It's telling us about what I'm going to write, what I'm going to tell you guys about Antarctica. This is the map that I drew in color. This is the Antarctica geography. Antarctica's globe. Antarctica is the 5th largest continent. Antarctica's climate. Antarctica is the highest, driest, windiest, emptiest, coldest place on Earth.
Very good. Those are some good facts on Antarctica. Hold your sign up. Let me see that word back there. Very good. Thank you, gentlemen. Great presentation. Good display. Okay, we got Europe. Europe. Yeah, those are all done. Okay, look at this beautiful display. You guys did some good work here. So you have group work, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, you want to tell me a little bit about Europe? I see your reports here and all your dolls.
One fact about Europe is the Eiffel Tower is in Paris, France, and that it was built for universal explosion in 1889.
Okay, 1889.
And as you can see here, these are Scottish stalls. These two are Scottish stalls. And
Okay. Elisha, anything you want to add?
also area facts. Did you know that the area in Europe is 3,930,000? Of the countries of Europe, use the
Just tell me what you know. You know a lot about Europe. Tell me something that you learned.
Europe is a continent, and there's like a lot of people there at Europe. They're happy.
They're happy in Europe? Okay, good job. Thank you. We got one more over here. What continent is this?
North America.
North America, very good. Well, tell me something that you learned about North America.
North America.
We made this over here, this map. We made this out of clay, celluloid clay, and we waited till it a few days till it dried.
And this reddish and orange stuff right here, as you see, this represents the Rocky Mountains and mountains. The green part represents platforms and flat lands. This is mountain.
Mountains?
The Mount Rushmore.
Oh, Mount Rushmore. Mount what? Mount Rushmore is not in North America, is it? I'm not sure. Okay, you sure?
As you can see some researches that we made.
I like that.
we make researches here. And over
More
here,
research?
some of these dolls, one of them are from each country from Central America.
Yeah, and these are maracas that have
Those are really traditional in Nicaragua, Honduras, and Salvador. And this map right here, this book right here, it shows a pyramid. I think it's from Mexico or Guatemala, because I think I've seen them before.
Very good. You guys learned a lot?
Yes, we learned a lot.
How would you like to travel to North America?
Yeah. Would you like us to read you one of the? Did you know?
No, I want you to tell me something. Did you know?
Oh, I know. The thing I learned from North America is that it's the third largest continent.
And what about you, Shalia? What did you learn?
that it has the most world records. They have the longest cave.
Longest cave.
Yes.
Thank you. Very good.